way for our students to come in, explore Ball State. It's a way for us to celebrate them. They're able to talk to their professors, meet new students, other academic departments, find out resources that we have here at Ball State. And it's really just a way for us to celebrate their acceptance.
I'm excited to meet more people and just get to know people that I'm going to be spending my next years with.
Most excited about going to the seminars, meeting professors, seeing the classroom environments, and then actually getting a campus feel, something that you can't really get on a tour because they're just showing you buildings, so really getting more of an in-depth look at the university. So I think that'll be really exciting.
Students are able to see their residence halls, so they get to tour around, see the living learning communities that they're going to be living in. They also get to be a part of our student life activity fairs, just different ways of getting them prepared for when they're here for orientation and when they're here as a student in August.
We're here for Admitted Students Day because our son Layton is going to be coming to Ball State next year. Just the interaction that you get to have with people, that makes it much better, just giving him more exposure to the campus.
Campus is a beautiful place to be, and it's really energetic.